So what impacts our design, or what could impact our design, let's say it this way, apart from what the client wants, what they have in mind? There are some other things that we may want to consider when designing our homes or homes for our clients. And here I'm going into the COVID again and the situation with our health and what's happening there. Then a little bit again into the impact of climate change, and especially here for a situation in Australia where we have the situation with the bushfires. So looking into that a little bit, what we can do with passive house design or design in general. Then talking a little bit about safety and security in buildings, and how we could get started. Okay, again, we had this one picture here before of that nasty little virus that's at the moment sort of changing the whole world, and how we see health and how we travel around the world and all these things. And a probably familiar picture these days as well, people walking around with masks that we probably haven't, we're all taken by surprise when this all happened. Again, a little bit of a recap of how important healthy homes are. We need to look after our health. We're spending more time at home. A lot of people now working from home. Which I think is a great development, that people can work from home. We're saving on travel time, but we're also saving on travel, driving the car. We're saving energy by that. So working from home can have a lot of good things there. And we now know that healthy homes are more important than ever, especially because we're spending more time there. Or a lot of us are. I definitely do. And we know that passive house can deliver those healthy homes. And that's why we should really look into implementing those passive house components into our designs. The knowledge is there. We've seen that before. And now I'm saying, and this is something I'm putting out there, I'm saying that architects and designer, we have to think about delivering those healthy homes. Because once we know this and we don't do it, we're doing our clients a disservice. So now we're knowing that healthy homes are possible, comfortable homes are possible. And if I were to now design a home as an architect that wasn't of that standard, I would really not do a good service to my client. So I really want to make sure that now I'm delivering a healthy and comfortable home for my clients if they were to come to me. So it's in our hands. And what I think is so important to do when you start the conversation with your clients is educate them about the importance of a healthy home. I think, as I said, that I was surprised to hear that, the air quality might be so bad in my home, because I never thought about it. So this is something you can tell your clients. That video that we shared, that was unfortunately a bit staggered, but when you can show that to your clients, they will probably go, wow, okay, I've never thought about that. A lot of people come to me and say, I never thought about that, never thought about the air quality in my home. So it's something you could educate them about, and they might actually go, hey, you're right. So we want to do something to build a healthier home. Then you could explain the alternative to a traditional built home. Now that you know that there is an alternative that works and that works well. So you can explain now what passive house can do in comparison to a traditional built home. And you can also invite them to learn more about passive house. Obviously, you can send them to our website. You can send them to the free courses. Everything is available for them. A lot of information is out there for free. So you could invite them to learn more, because, and do we remember, we're seeing this now for the third time. Why is it important? Because we're delivering healthy, sustainable, and economical buildings that separate the indoor environment from the outdoor environment, and the outdoor environment is changing. The indoor stays constant at 20 to 25 degrees. Maybe some of you already think, oh my God, she's showing us third time. This is not because I'm insane. I can't remember what I've talked about before, but I really want you to understand these basics of passive house, and that you can pass that on to your clients or to whoever you talk to about passive house. So this should be like, by the end of this, should be ingrained in your brain, this sentence: we're delivering healthy, sustainable, economical homes, that you can recite that and really bring that close to your clients and anyone else that you talked about passive house.